In the previous section, we covered upgrading to vSphere 6.x. In this section, we will cover in detail troubleshooting vSphere 6.x. We will cover the VM support tool and another usage of the VM support tool for replaying information and performance statistics in ESX Top. We will also look at advanced packet capture with the packet capture UW tool. It allows us to look at data packets as they move between the virtual NIC of the virtual machine, the vNIC, and as it moves into the virtual switch and then perhaps out of the VM NIC or the physical NIC. Configuring and using the SNMP tools available in ESXi 6.x is very important, because in a troubleshooting environment, modern network management tools provide us with an all-encompassing view of our technical environment. So using SNMP to provide sensors to check to see what is happening in the vSphere environment and know how to configure it for ESXi 6.x hypervisors is a very important aspect of troubleshooting a vSphere 6.x environment. In this video, we will look at using the VM support tool, which is very important for troubleshooting purposes. VMware support may request this from you when you are working on an incident with them. So learning how to use this well is really important. So we are back in the lab again, and we are going to look at VM support tool. VM-SUPPORT. We'll do a -help and we'll pipe it to more. So basically the VM support tool has a list of manifests, the groups, and the manifest groups and the manifest tags, which basically means what is the information that it actually looks to collect. Because remember, at the end of it, we get this tar and gzipped file that is used as the support bundle that one can send off to VMware, and from that they can do troubleshooting to find out any intricate technical information that needs to be understood before finding a resolution to the problem. So we'll do a quick survey of this VM support tool, look at the options. It's very hard for me anyway to remember the capital G and the lowercase t. I still remember the options as list manifests, list groups, and list tags. The -p is easy to remember for performance. This is to gather the performance data. The key options here are, and these are also, you can, this is for performance monitoring. We define the duration of the performance monitoring in seconds and the interval between those snapshots in seconds. You will see a use of this in the next video, the -p, the -d, and the -i in the next video when we look at the replay mode for ESX Top. Apart from that, it's a very straightforward tool to actually utilize. You can see the log levels, versions, and dry run and so on, and output only the location of the bundle. So it doesn't go through the entire verbose process. Not very important. The key is that it's a very important tool and it's very easy to use. One of the most important options in here is the working directory option, because you want to make sure that the files it creates have enough room for them in that directory. So I tend to use one of the data stores. I've seen people use /tmp, and that's not a good idea. So we will key in VM support -w for our working directory. I always like to use fully qualified directory names, VMFS volumes / strange name here. So I just seem to get much more consistent results across all VMware tools, especially those that are scripts, not really compiled tools. The parsing sometimes is inconsistent, at least as far as I have seen. So we hit that, and what it does is it's creating this file with the timestamp. It's a tar and gzipped file, and that is a support bundle that will be created when this process completes, and this is a support bundle that one needs to send off to VMware support. Now, of course, if you are interested in taking a look at what's in it, you can always tar and unzip it. At the end, basically contains the information that's in the manifests. You saw the list of the manifests, different areas of the entire vSphere environment. So we let this complete. And so the process is completed. you get this, please attach this file when submitting an incident report. That's where you go to file or incidents, and that's the name of the file that one attaches. That's just been created by VM support tool. So very straightforward and simple tool to use, but obviously extremely important. In this video, we covered using the VM support tool. In the next video, we will look at using the VM support tool for ESXtop replay mode.